Good afternoon po. At ngayon, magkakaroon kami ng bagong tawag nito, ng bagong segment sa aming pamamasyal. At yun ay ang English 101 with Ivana Alawi of Pangasinan. So tatanungin ko po si Ivana, aka Marcela, sa totoong buhay, ng mga questions sa English. Pero syempre, kailangan ang sagot niya rin
No judgment.
English. So, manood lang po kayo. Okay? Our first question is, how's your driving so far?
I'm so
Marcela.
scared because I'm practicing how to driving.
Wow.
So, what?
Would you like me to repeat the question?
Yeah.
How's your driving so far, Marcela?
Now, I'm actually, I'm scared
Why?
because it's my first time to drive this like here in, what kind of place this? Papalyasin.
Okay. Second question na po tayo kay Ivana Alawi ng Pangasinan or Marcela. The second question is, what's your lunch a while ago, Marcela?
My lunch before we go out, ginataang, ano nang ginataan? What's the ginataang,
Ginataan what?
like, gabi? Ano ba yun?
Gabi?
Yeah.
What's
With pritong galonggong.
Oh.
I don't know what is English of, gabi.
You know Gabi Concepcion?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, you
It's
ask
hard,
him.
yes.
So, that's your assignment for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Anyway, you answered the question and your answer is ginataang gabi. And who cooked the ginataang gabi?
My mother cooks that.
Okay. So, how was it? How's the food?
Very delicious because my mother going to cook that.
Ayan, so na-survive na po niya ang first two questions natin. So, here's our third question. Marcela, how's your
Yes.
love life?
For now, I'm single, but
Okay.
I'm not ready to mingle now.
Okay.
Because I want to flirt many more boys. Wait.
What?
I'm sorry because I'm not expert in English language. So don't laughing me, guys, huh?